Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sunil. Today we will learn why capturing logs and exceptions are important for stability. Or this is the second part of the video, that is how to improve app stability using Firebase. For any queries, please comment on the videos. We will create separate videos for further clarifications. In my previous video, we have learnt how to capture crashes using Crashlytics and how to extract or analyze information from the crash. For example, the time of crash, the device information, user information, the place of crash, etc. we can get from Crashlytics. So that will help us to fix most of crashes. Let's learn the importance of logs and exceptions. Why should we capture them? And how we can capture them? Also, how those information will help us to improve the stability of our application. Let's say we are building an e-commerce application. There are several entry points for any screen. Let's consider the payment detail screen. We can open the payment detail screen by selecting different payment options like credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, and lots of other accounts. Let's say there is a crash in the payment detail screen for UPI journey. We can get the crash in the Crashlytics, but generally we generally use the same screen for different journey. Like the payment detail screen is common in all these places. Then how can we get more information? Sometimes we need the more information. In our local environment, we use log or system.println to put additional information. So that is available in client device or user's device, but it is not available for others. That means we cannot see it. Also, enabling logs for production is not encouraged due to security concern. Then how can we get those additional information from the user device? That means the application needs to send additional information to any server, and the server must have a dashboard where we can monitor the dashboard and get those information. And again, those information can be huge, or we can say the occurrence or the trigger environment can be more. So the maintaining the additional server will be expensive. Is there any free environment or free server which can give the detailed information of the logs? Yes, Firebase provides that. Firebase Crashlytics, it provides more information, or we can capture the logs or exceptions. So first we need to set up the Firebase. For more information on how to set up the Firebase, please refer to my previous videos. In my previous example, we have taken or we have considered that on click of a button, the application was crashing. Now I have added few Crashlytics logs or additional information for the crash. So we have used log method of Firebase Crashlytics. And Firebase Crashlytics is a singleton class, so we can call like Firebase Crashlytics .get instance .log, then put the additional information there. So whenever any crash or exception happens, those things gets logged in the Crashlytics dashboard. It will contain the log information. Now let's see in the example. We have taken the previous example where we have set the new log using Firebase Crashlytics.get instance, and here we have set the message, the context is set to null on button click. So whenever we will click on the button, the application will crash as it was doing before, but this time it will contain the additional message, that is this log. So yeah, let's press the button. Yeah, it crashed. Now let's after that go to this Crashlytics dashboard, then select the crash which was to be monitored, or which where we need the more information. Then select the log tab of the detail screen, and if you click on the log tab, you will get the additional information and whatever we have messaged in logs tab. Now you can see there that we have mentioned the same message which we can see here. Already we have discussed regarding the logs. Now what is the exception, and what are the need of capturing the exception? Let's understand those things. There are several scenarios where we need to capture exception. For example, let's say there is some exception in validation of email address. We have already handled the exception, but we don't have the number of exceptions or the count or the occurrences of exception. So by getting those exception or the count, the information, we can again make the journey better. Like how can we say that how many users are facing the problem? Obviously crashing the app for all the scenarios will be a bad idea, but is there any way that we can see those details and work accordingly? That means those information needs to be logged somewhere, and these are not user information, or these are not regular information. These are some additional, or these are like exceptions. So yeah, Firebase provides recording exceptions where we can use the Firebase Crashlytics dot record exception. This as we discussed, Firebase Crashlytics is a singleton instance. Use record exception. There pass only exceptions. Here we have used created one exception type, illegal state exception, where the message we have mentioned that unnecessary button clicked. So whenever there will be a crash, whenever there will be an exception in Crashlytics dashboard, then you can see this exception, and on click of the button, that record exception button, we are recording the exception in the Firebase. Yeah, one quick note is that immediately you will not get those exceptions here, but it will take some time. Means generally when the application relaunched once again, that time these exceptions get captured, and in that exception you will whatever the logs you have already put, those logs you can see, and this exception also you can see. Now yeah, again go to this Crashlytics, and but before that if you relaunch the app, then only you can get those information, or you need to wait for long time to see the recording exceptions. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Yeah, you have already got lots of information. Now go to filter, select non-fatal types. Event type is non-fatals. That means the exception whatever we have recorded, it will record it here. Now you can see the details. Click there. Yeah, you can see the main activity line number 53 is the same line, that is new button thing, and illegal state exception is the exception type, and unnecessary button clicked is the message. Also we can see the additional information that main activity launched, that is the log, what default log that we have put. The logs also you can see here. Yeah, let's see so subtitle, the subtitle is the message, and the title, that null, fatal exception, illegal state exception, it is the exception type, and the stack trace of the exception told that line number 53. Here you can see that bulb in main activity, it is line number 53, it's recorded the same.